Now, that's where we're going to next, as search teams and families are refusing to give up on missing persons. We understand more than 50 people are still missing, and now we've got a family that's been looking for those its loved ones. And Dasen Thathiah is on the ground with the Gumbi family in Inanda Dam. Good afternoon, Dasen. What's happening?
Braden, today's is a very grim assignment, I'll tell you that, and that's because we are with the Gumbi family currently on Inanda Dam. I mean, look at how expansive this dam is, and we are with them for what, as I said, is a very grim task. One of the mothers of the 3 children that are currently missing is here looking for her daughter or any sign of her daughter. So Lukutle was one of 3 Gumbi children that were washed away from their home. You would recall that we covered the story at the weekend when we went out to their home, and we were there when police teams were on the ground, and they were also trying to assist the family in finding the missing children. At the front of the boat is Nokopila Gumbi, and Nokopila, it's always difficult talking to you during this time because of what's happening. Just over the past 3 weeks, we've seen the family searching, we've seen the police searching. We are now on a boat with you, and as you search. And how have you been managing to deal with the past few weeks?
Kahle kahle angazi usingizothi ngimanage kanjani. Angazi kwenzakalana, angazi. Into esemqondweni wami kuyona yonke lento ukuthola izingane nje phela zozo 3. So uwona wonke lo mthwalo lo semahlombe vele kunzima ya, kodwa into ehamba phambili la kumina ukuthi ngithola izingane kuphela. So kona kunzima isikhathi side, siyahamba isikhathi mothi uyabhekisisa ngempela, noma ngathi uyawuthola manje umzimba uzothola wonakele kakhulu. Kunzima. Namhlanje kuseni sike saya emngeni besicelile ukuthi asofika la eHillcrest emaofisini nabo. Siyile sakhuluma nabo ngoba sasicelile ukuthi nathi engathi singake sizidelise ilihlo sizifunele, ngoba ngazi ukuthi nje sifila sengazi ukuthi awenziwa ngendlela umsebenzi kumele ngabe bayawenza. Base beyasikhulumela ke nabantu balapha ekumsinsi kweNanda Dam. So njengoba silana ke nobaba uMthembu besisiza sihambe sifuna siyazifunela. Ngathi niyabona ukuthi sisodwa siyazifunela sisodwa ngosizo lwabo baba laba abasebenza khona lapha yana. Kuyasinda. Imagine uma wengane ihambe ezifunela ingane yakhe kanjena, ngoba sengamngele noma esiphi isimo engizomfica eyisona. In fact bobo nabo bayi3 la ngizobathola bekhona akulutho as long as ngizothola ithambo. So nje kahle kahle ngisakudinga ukuthi sithola usizo lwangempela. Engathi singathola abantu abazongena nangaphansi kwamanzi manje, because phezulu kwamanzi sekhanjiwe njengoba nathi sihamba phezulu kwamanzi sekhanjiwe phezulu kwamanzi kaningi. Still akutholwa lutho. Engathi nje besingabathola even ama-excavator azolapha kulesa sihlabathi, ngoba sesihlabathi asisazi lapha yana sisho. So kungenzeka umuntu agcibwe isihlabathi, kungenzeka agcitshwe amatshe, and isihlabathi kuwesi ke kumanzi ngaphansi kwaso, so inja ikwazi ukunukisa kahle la kumanzi khona, and nezulu kwehlahlale nethe buye lime yabo kuba kuthiwa shisa njalo ngaphansi isihlabathi lampe siyaqhekeka, bayakwazi ukuthola iphunga ngaphakathi. So nje sisadinga impela usizo kakhulu, kusanzima.
Nokopila, you know, it's such a difficult time, and I think during this time when you have this very difficult thing to do, it's also important to remember the good times. How are you remembering Slinda Kutle, as well as her cousins as well? Your last conversations, your memories. What are the things that remain with you, close to your heart?
Into nje ehlezi emqondweni wami indlela bebehleze bexoxa ngamaphupho abo ngayo. Njengoba ngeke ngasho nasekuqaleni, sinana nama-video abo bekhuluma ukuthi nje Slindo Kuhle ufuna ubudokotela wenhliziyo, ufuna ukuyofunda phesheya. Mangabe umtshela ukuthi kiwa ngemali athi mina ngizoya ngamama kami. Khona nje nalabe bene-video bene-conversation bona babayi3 usiswaze wabathatha ivideo ebatshela ebexoxa ukuthi sifisa ukuthi mase sisebenza sakho i-triple story house wathi omunye le iside la ngezansi kuzobe lami ulubanzi wayeshethi izoba pink lakhe uasay lakhe lizoba purple. Then they turned their faces kuSlindo bembuza ukuthi wena ufuna kube njani. Then azanga abaveli yaphelela lapha ivideo behleka. So yabo mangabe sibuka lo ma video ucabanga nendlela izingane beziyona bekuyizingane nje eziphansi ke ezithanda ukudlala, zithandela ukuzidlalela endlini, ziyadlala zihlele eduze ngamamkhulu wazo, akuzona izingane eziwuvanzi. So ukubheka yonke loyo nto leyo uma ngabe nje ukubuyisa emqondweni uzibona ukuthi cha ungathi umzali wesahluleki hlasempe uhlulekile ukubavikela ngendlela engabe kuthiwa sibavikele ngayo, ngendlela ekwenzeke ngayo. Ubone mase ubona nosisi la ekhona ngize ngibe nento ethi hlasempe kuba kuthiwa ngangikhona mhlambe ngabe kwaba khona umunye umqondo engawufaka engazi ukuthi owani lo mqondo sasuka sahamba mhlambe sabaleka ekhaya mhlambe ngabe sosheshe sibone, but bengeke kuze kwenzeke futhi konke kwenzeka ezinzulwini zobusuku. So kunzima yabo njengoba ngithi kunzima ngempela and kushaya ngaphakathi enhlizweni. Namanje ngimile nje angazi ukuthi sime kanjani, ngikhona la esikepeni ngiyafuna angazi ukuthi ngizothi ngenza kanjani, awukho umnyango esingasawunqonqozanga. So far usize sithole kumngene ilesi sikepe, okunye nokunye bakhuluma ngento esazokwenzeka abasazoyenza because sihlukane nabo bethi basahamba baya eMaritzburg kusawhlanganwa nge-construction company esePretoria bayoxoxa ngayo, bebeqale bafuna ukuzwa kuthini ukuthi kuhamba kanjani. Imagine bazofika namhlanje kuno 2 weeks wonke ophelele esingakaze sibizwe sizokhuluma yonke loyo nto noma bazosibuza loyo nto. Asikho kulezi zinto zama-food parcels noma ngifuna uqamba amanga, asikho basibalele nangazo, angikho asikho kakhulu. Our main concern izingane kuphela.
Thank you so much, Nokuphilo Braden. Really a sad tale here. As you can hear, there have been lots of challenges in trying to locate the remains of this child, and that's the kind of closure that they want. And I've lost comms with you right now because of where we are, but I hope that you'll indulge me as I bring in the skipper here, Derek. If I could just ask you to join me for a second, just very briefly, just tell me, in the area that we are in now, what are some of the challenges that we face in trying to help the family locate their missing loved ones?
Yeah, I would say the main challenge here is the water hyacinth that hides almost everything that you think you're looking for. And though there is many obstacles here that disturbing the search, there is plenty of things and makes everything hard. But we're trying as Msinzi to help the families. My wish was, since after everything happened, my wish was to help to look in the dam, whoever we or whatever we can find. Maybe some people need closure, and to find the bodies of their families, no matter how bad or what situation. But as long as they find the body, because my fear now, this time, after so long, the body can get damaged and destroyed altogether. And yeah, that's what I can say for now.
No,
but
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for your time, Derek.
Okay.
Braden, so this search will have to continue, obviously, beyond today. We're starting to lose some light. The family will continue tomorrow. But it's been extremely difficult, especially on the day that police came out here. They covered a stretch of about 7 kilometers or so along the river that leads into this dam. And unfortunately, there was not any sign of the missing loved ones. There were vehicles there was debris from the house, there were items of clothing, but still no sign. So the search will continue, but for now, as you can see, all the family really wants is to put an end to what has been a nightmare.